Hi guys, this is Ian from Sycamore Motorrad again. Last time you saw this bagger looked a little bit different. We've had a day of teardown today. As you can see, I'm pretty far back. Wheels are off, ready for powder coating. Just going to get the bearings removed. All the silver work on the drive there with the gear shift and brakes is all removed, waiting for powder coating. Exhausts are removed, cats are removed, all ready for a straight through exhaust system, which I'll be excited to show you when it's done. There's the brakes hanging from the front of the bike, front wheel waiting, again powder coating. Won't tell you the colour yet, nice surprise. There's what's left of the front at the moment. We've taken out the adaptive cruise control cover and the headlight bezel. Forks are obviously off. Going to do something a little bit different with those. I'll show you that another time. Centre consoles all out. No chrome left in there at all. It's all going to be blacked out. And display chrome is gone as well. Ready to go for blackout again. We have specialists who do this, so if you're interested in this kind of stuff, just come and speak to us. We can do all this kind of stuff, and we have all the contacts to do all of this. We can do it in-house, or you can do some of it like I'm doing, stripping my own bike down, taking the wheel off again. Heel and toe shifter's gone, and exhaust gone. Handlebar levers will be changed at some stage once we start getting all the parts and the kit together. And just a little look, and there's all the chrome parts waiting to go off to paint, and there's dash parts waiting to go on once we've got all those painted parts back again. And hopefully we'll have another instalment as we start to build up again sometime soon, as soon as we get the parts back from powder coating.